already know about me, I've been in communication for 25 years. Okay, my core is only communications. So I work in the field of communications completely end to end. Okay, so I have basically trained and spokesperson. I've worked across a lot of brands. The spokespersons, आपकी जैसे company में भी you have spokespersons, right?
Communications.
Yeah, so they are media facing. So how do they deal with the media? What is that they need to say? How do they say it? Do they deliver their message clearly? That's what is my core in communication. So today I'll just jump in. Should I jump in, Rajesh?
Yes.
Today I'm going to just talk about something very common which I come across, which is that how to speak when you're not confident. होता है ना, Rajesh?
Yeah.
काफी बार the reason that you kind of took this course is because there was a lack of confidence, right? So I want to ask you one question. Do you feel that is it that you face a problem that that you don't really know English, or is it that the fear of when I speak I'm going to get judged? When I speak in front of people, and you have that lack of confidence in front of people. What is the thing that resonates? I know both of them basically relates, but I want you to understand again, is it that the biggest problem that you face is English language, or is it that when you are speaking in front of people, let's say you were to speak in front of a group of people, right? That is because you are more fear. Fear.
Little bit fear. It is fear only. It is not a problem of English language.
So if you were in a group of people that you are comfortable with, you will still try to speak in whatever language. I mean,
Yes,
in English, even if it is not up to the mark, right?
Yesterday there was an off-site at Marriott Hotel.
Okay.
For 2 days I was out of station, and there I have meeting with CFOs, CEOs, and CXOs, many people, and there I am freely talk to them. I convey my message, and I have presented also. But when I presented that time, when I started, I was little in fearful. I was fearful that time. But when I started, I presented very well, and people appreciated. But that time when I presented, that time I mixed the Hindi and English and many things. So this is not the problem. But when breaking the ice, I will get fear.
So I'll tell you, Brajesh, the problem is basically, see, when we speak English, right? So what happens is, speaking and knowing a language is one part. The second part is when you're addressing an audience, right? Immediately, it happens. If you were to even, in relatives, suddenly if you were put into a middle of, conversation saying that, "Ki Brajesh, talk about this," you will actually lose your confidence, because you know what, the fear is not about speaking, the fear is about being judged.
Yeah.
Right? It is not about I cannot say what I want to say. It is about the fact that how people will perceive, right? And this is very important to know as well. So confidence jo hai na, so it is very important that you should build your confidence. And when you're learning, specifically as you're progressing in learning, you start focusing a lot on confidence, because confidence is not something that if I say, Brijesh, become confident, you will become confident. Confident is a kind of a habit. Like if you ask anybody who is specialized, like for you, like IT is your core field. Am I right?
Yeah.
But when the day you would have started in IT, it's not the day that that day you were confident. You build your confidence over time. Correct? It is like one step at a time. There was a misstep, there was mistakes, then there were things that you corrected, then the things that you built, and that kind of built your confidence, right? Step by step. So if you ask any champion of anything, they will tell you that it took them, they also made mistakes with everything, and the confidence did not come to them overnight. The confidence came to them with one step at a time. Now, what does this tell you? Confidence follow action and not the other way around. So we start taking action towards building that confidence. will immediately stop. Don't do that. Continue. Go back and kind of restart it. Because what happens is that you will, the moment you will stop, you will start hesitating. Yeah, you know what, I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it. But the moment you will say, oh, you know what, I can do it, I will not give up. So even when you're practicing, and let's say you are speaking a certain sentence and it has gone all wrong, it's okay. Repeat it. Repeat it till you get it perfect. Sometimes we will end up saying a wrong, word altogether, but it is okay, right? Now, second thing I will tell you is, how to develop and make regularly in English is by making a speaking habit for a minute. Anything. Like you are having a conversation with a colleague, right? And try to speak to that person in English. If you are having a conversation with your, say, family member, right? Instead of just saying अपनी, because naturally होता है कि हम अपनी भाषा में बात करेंगे, right? But try speaking in English. What will happen over a period of time, Brijesh? This will become a very natural flair, and you will also start thinking very proactively in English. Because what happens is a lot of people, they think in their regional language and then they try to translate that also, right? तो उसमें क्या होता है कि वो thought में चले जाते हैं. और सबसे important तीसरी चीज जो है, which is very important for your communication, is you told me that you did a presentation, right? And people really like that presentation because you were able to deliver the message there. So now, what does it tell you, Brajesh? I want you to answer that question.
Yes.
So when you did the presentation and people appreciated, right? You did a mix of Hindi and English. What did it tell you?
Today I tell me you have a very good, nice presentation, and you have presented the bottlenecks of the company and collaboration you have provided. So whatever point you have raised on platform, it is very very good, and we will add this to CEO and other people to mitigate the things.
So see, Brijesh, if you come to think of it, it is very simple. People always remember how you made them think, not how you spoke only. So, when you did your presentation had points that got them thinking, oh, acha, this is the number we are talking. Okay, this is the target that we achieved. Oh, this is the problem that we solved, right? So when you are thinking and when you are constructing your sentences, it is okay if you make a mistake. You can revise it. Like I said, it is a 1 minute habit of, repeating that kind of, like, you can even do one thing is like write down your mistakes rather than just, start writing your mistakes so that okay, every time I say this, I actually stop at this word, or probably I misspell this word, or I forget to say that word. Start writing that. Second, when even if you go grammatically wrong, confidence kaise aayega? You still continue to speak. If you would have seen a lot of things in any across, it's not only speaking, maybe people slip up. The best of speakers slip up. But you never get to notice it because they continue to speak. It happens to the best of people as well. So when you're a learner also, even if you slip up on something, just don't give up. Because this will boost your confidence over a period of time, and you will start, feeling, you will start noticing that, now you're speaking more confidently, and you will be able to register the words, and you will be able to assemble your thoughts and deliver it more powerfully in the language that you're addressing the audience, which is English at this point of time. So right now, when you made your presentation in English, Hindi and English, uska impact hua. But what is the next level that for you to achieve, Rajesh, is going to be deliver the entire presentation in English. Even if you made mistakes in it, it is okay. But they should be able to appreciate you for the fact that what you presented, and they were able to understand what you were saying. Because like I said, people will always remember how you made them think. So is whatever you're speaking at that point of time, is it actually getting them to think? You will be able to find your words. Any questions you want to ask me? Because I thought I'll give you 3 easy tips to work with.
No, it is good. Basically, yesterday there was a meeting with my colleague and my boss uh, for daily weekly task.
Hmm.
So that time when I presented them that these are the things which need to be done by this month end, basically on 30th there is closing half yearly closing for that. So that time I got blank for a while. So he said that why don't you uh, tell me in Hindi? I will translate. Basically, there was a mail communication need to be given to IT. So that time I suddenly stopped and talking in Hindi.
It happens. It happens, Brijesh, to best of people. It is a very common thing that happens to everybody. The best speakers also at times, so they sometimes forget the chain of thought, not the words. Like I speak fluently, sometimes I've lost the chain of thought. So now I have two options. Either I can go quiet or I can continue to speak and keep building it up. But that's a very later advanced stage. But in your case, like the confidence instantly comes down the moment you are not able to complete a certain sentence, or you were trying to say something and you were not able to complete or deliver the way you wanted it to, right? But that's not a problem, Brajesh. Take it like, okay, abhi nahi hua, it doesn't matter. I will practice this very thing today for 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Like, for example, you wanted to tell your boss that, hey, you know what? This is our bi-weekly report that I wanted to share, and I wanted to see when you're presenting it to any of your seniors or bosses or something. There are only points that you discuss. You don't get into detailing, right? There are 3 core areas or 5 core areas that you want them to know. Sir, this is the problem. This is the solution that I was able to figure out, and this is the next step that we need to work towards, right? Usually, that's always a combination of that kind of a conversation. So, practice that line to the fact of not perfecting the line, but in a way that you can speak naturally. Even if you make a mistake, you can continue, British, because उससे जब confidence आएगा ना, you will start filling in the fillers. Because confidence, if you lose your confidence, you break your sentence and you stop speaking altogether. It gives you that moment of peace. Anything else you want to ask me? I'm happy to answer, British.
How do many times one incident I want to share. There was a foreign delegation came to my office. That time my seniors and others are presenting. I was the participant in that meeting. That time when I started speaking, so I have started with Hindi words, but one of my colleague I stopped me. Why don't you talk in? Then one of the foreign delegation told me that no, continue in Hindi, no problem. I will manage. So that time I got little frustrated, but I continue in English only.
Yeah. So, Brajesh, again, what did you learn from this?
I think that time when he has the foreign delegation, when he said that no, I will manage. That time I think he supported me to speak on English, Hindi.
Yeah, so going back to our first discussion, Brajesh, when I spoke about confidence, and I told you that do you actually feel the fear of speaking English, or do you feel the fear of being judged while speaking it? So this tells you that you were already having that fear of being judged, but that person proved you wrong, that he was not judging you or your language, right? So when you start seeing that, you will see that it will boost अंदर से एक और confidence आ जाता है, because the first thing is that first step, why you felt what you felt. अभी जो आपने बोला ना कि मुझे थोड़ा सा वो लगा कि what I continued speaking English. Now you did a very right thing, but at the same time that that moment that you thought for a second कि oh my God, I'm talking in Hindi and he doesn't understand the language. But what did he do? He made you comfortable. He said, I will manage. And the moment he said that, you instantly got your confidence. And that is what got you to speak, Brajesh. So again, going back is that, see, learning the language is a journey. You will go step by step. right? But the moment you will, focus also on building your confidence in speaking the language, you will start seeing a lot of improvement in every word and every sentence that you will say. Even if you end up making a mistake, that's completely all right. So I think, so I think we've already recapped. I'll just quickly recap of what I said, through those three things that I told you. One is that fear, I told you. Second, I told you about, practicing about 1 minute a day on anything that you kind of, any topic. It could be about your own introduction or anything that comes across. It could be something that you saw on television and you want to just express, I like this show and, this was nice.
Yeah.
You must be watching football at this point, right? So discuss football in
Many times I see many people in office. They are when enter the office, they are talking about yesterday I have a very nice movie.
exactly.
But many times we 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 are not so much expressive that मैंने कल क्या किया परसों क्या किया आपस में बात नहीं करते हैं अरे ठीक है हाँ हेलो हो गया यस
Brajesh, you will open up, so you will get confident also, and you will also start developing your vocabulary because it's an expression also, right? So the moment you will start speaking, and don't make it your practice as that ये मुझे रोज एक काम करना है. Start bringing it into your daily life in a very simple way. You saw a show, you saw a match, you saw something, express it in English. Don't worry about the mistake.
I will inculcate this in my daily routine.
Right. And like I said, always keep in the back of the mind, people will always remember for what you actually, gave them rather than you are thinking that, my broken English will probably is the one that they will judge, right? They will hear your this thing. So if, when you're speaking, don't worry about your mistakes. Okay? Yeah, Shippy, I think I'm pretty much done. Is there something that you would like to add or something that I may have missed?
No, I think he already has the tool to practice, Brijesh. So he already has the tool to practice. So I think you've already given him an insight, and I really appreciate you taking the time and you're on a weekend with a tight schedule and giving it to us. Thank you so much, Gina. So you will also have another session with her for 15 minutes tomorrow, same time, Brijesh. Okay, I've already blocked your calendar. And thank you so much. I've already recorded this session, and I hope that we can bring more value to others. Thank you.
One more question, which City ma'am.